Good evening, Southeast Texas. A beautiful one. It's just warm and humid out there right now. Looking at mostly sunny skies over in Port Arthur and at Education First Federal Credit Union in Beaumont on the Roofing 911 Sky Cam network. Watching some thunderstorms over towards Corrigan, northwest of our area. Otherwise, pretty quiet across Southeast Texas. Temperatures, weather watchers over in, Mauriceville, Lynn reporting 87. It's 87 in Beaumont and Bevel Oaks. Bill's at 86 in Hampshire. Tim Drahan reporting 89 in Port Arthur, 86, and over in Orange, 87 degrees. Further to the north, it's 90 up into Jasper and Old Salem. Stacy Brawley reporting 90 degrees. Across the state, it's hot ahead of that front. Temperatures are in the triple digits over many locations. Over towards Wichita Falls, Abilene, Pecos, and across southwest Texas, not far behind and through central and north Texas, as you can see. Look at the cool down up and towards the Texas Panhandle. That's where that front is. And we'll be watching this line build as we go towards tomorrow night our way, and that front heads into southeast Texas. But right now, a nice cool down up into North Texas. As far as the tropics, I think we're good for the next 5 to 7 days. Watching Tropical Storm Peter. It is in the southwestern Atlantic. Our cold front is going to recurve it back off towards the north, so we're fine with Peter. Rose is way out there. It's also going to recurve around the outer periphery of high pressure over towards the Cape Verde Islands, so we can write Rose off. The remnants of Odette probably won't get in the Gulf of Mexico, so that's a non-factor. Then it's Invest 98L. And it has a great chance of becoming a named storm. The next name would be Sam, and the verdict is out on Sam. Look at the modeling. Some of the models take it into the Caribbean, others try to recurve it. It's just too early that far out. So we'll watch it. It's beyond 7 to 10 days before it could even reach the Gulf of Mexico, if it does. Hopefully it doesn't. But with these kind of troughs that we're getting down now, that would hopefully recurve it. Regardless, this next trough will move across the northern tier, and that will drag our cold front into our area. Nice ridge of high pressure builds over the central plains and southern plains on Wednesday, and that means a nice cool down as that drier air filters on in behind the front coming out of Canada, and that line of showers and thunderstorms moves through tomorrow night. And then look at the dry air. We go from yellows and oranges all the way down the scale, and that means beautiful weather expected with low humidity. So tonight, anything but dry as far as humidity levels, very humid across the area, as lows under mostly clear skies will drop into the low to mid 70s. Probably see a little bit of patchy fog. Then tomorrow for the day, I'm going to only go about a 30 to 40% coverage. Tomorrow evening, yeah, 50, 60, maybe 70% coverage as that front filters on in. On the Gulf of Mexico, looking at slightly choppy seas around 1 to 2 tomorrow. We'll see westerly winds at 5 to 10 knots. Water temperature 83. Our forecast tonight, mostly clear, warm and humid, low to mid 70s, against some patchy fog possible. Tomorrow, 30, 40, maybe 50% coverage. It all depends on exactly when that front begins to move into our area. Otherwise, we'll amp it up to about a 50 to 60% coverage, yellow bar day tomorrow. Then the front comes through. It is going to be a breezy day coming up on Wednesday as high pressure builds in. That'll bring a cooler, drier air mass in. And then just gorgeous weather. Oh my goodness, Thursday and Friday. Of all weeks to take off, I should have not taken off last week. It should have been this week, but it just goes on and on and on. No complaints here.
Anything to take us below normal at this point and dry out the air. This is going to be awesome.
And we'll take a look at the 10-day forecast in just a few minutes, see how long this will last.
All right, good stuff, Patrick. Thanks so much.